Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Today's video, we're going to talk about Bitcoin, Cardano, Matic, and Ethereum. And we're going to talk about what happened yesterday. I gave you guys a couple scenarios. I told you guys about this wedge here. We'll make it a little easier to see. The 4-hour. And we did talk about this ABC pattern, maybe bringing us down potentially. But I thought we could maybe bounce and go a little bit higher uh, in the chart before we broke down. But yeah, I was definitely wrong about that. But that's why I give you this scenario. And I tell you guys, if we do break down, then we're going down. If we get a bounce, then we're going higher. That's just the way it goes, right? So on Twitter, if you guys follow me on Twitter, right after I made the video, I posted this because I wanted to make this clear. It's why it's very important to follow me on Twitter. Um, Before we ended up breaking down, we were still up at almost like 49, or we were at 48, 200 still. I posted this on Twitter. Watch out for this breakdown here, and if we do, we could go lower, and our targets would be anywhere around 46, 100 to 46, 500 area, in between that area, which we did end up bouncing there. But if 46 does not hold up, I would say actually about 40, 45, 800 area. If that doesn't hold up, then yeah, I'd be looking for this box, this purple box down here. Those would be my next targets. So it's very important to follow me on Twitter, guys, because sometimes I can make a video and things could turn where I didn't really like what was going on here. I thought we were going to go higher. And once I saw this big red candle closing right under here, it happened so fast, I knew I had to make this, or I couldn't make a video. So I had to post something on Twitter for you guys right away. So I posted on Twitter for you guys right away, so you guys can make that decision yourself. I also did that for Ethereum, for Matic, for all of them. For Cardano, I posted right away, and then when it actually did happen, you could even see right here we were breaking down, and I said, "This doesn't look good." Okay. Um, and now with an M pattern here, our target would be around 239. We haven't got there yet, so I'm assuming. Let's see what happens. Cardano is just so freaking strong, so it's tough to bring it down, but that would be a target I would be looking for. Let's see. Let's go back over here to Bitcoin. So as you can see right here, I also posted this on stock tweets last night too. Um, and I had our targets here uh, within this range, 46, 100, and we got right in between it. My purple box here, um, and we bounced. So far, we got the bounce, but we are getting rejected off of the 41.37 level that I talked about the other day in my video. That we could hold up as support right here, which we bounced off of right there, which we got that bounce. Well, now that's acting as resistance. So let's see what happens here. I believe as long as we stay above 46,000, or no, like I said, 45,800, that if we do that, then this would just be a fake out, and this would just be a little bear trap here, and this could go back up to the upside. We've been getting a lot of fake outs on this uptrend. So, but this is within inside the bigger wedge, and we have the ABC pattern, which I told you guys in that video. I was scared, and that time I was calling for these targets right here. First, I said if 47 100 doesn't hold up, then we'd go down to this 46 mark, which I've been calling. But then when we bounced, I thought right then and there we were going to go a little bit higher in the move before we came back down. But we ended up rolling over. So, hey, that's part of the game, guys. Usually I'm pretty spot on with these theories. But what we were getting out. Look right here, right when this candle broke. This is why it's very important for you guys to follow me on Twitter at 48,500. Okay, which is near the high of the move. Right when this candle broke down, that was a warning sign for me. This is when I started posting on Twitter. And by the time I even made the video, I think we were down. No, we were still up at 48,300 or 48,200 area. But But that's why it's very important to follow me on Twitter. And that's why I gave you these examples in my video, just in case this did happen. If we could go higher like this. So I thought, hey guys, we could go higher like this. But this is a bullish pattern or a bearish pattern. So the more likelihood would be to break down. But I thought we could go higher before we broke down. But we ended up just breaking down. So let's see what happens. This could be a trap if we stay above 46 or 45,800 area, give or take a couple $100 there. So we always want to give or take a couple $100. That could be a trap, and we could just go right back up into this and go higher, like I said. So let's keep an eye on that. We're still not done. But I do believe if we break under that 45,800 area, 43, 42 is on deck. Okay, my purple box then will be on deck, just like it was here when we broke down. And I gave you these targets beforehand, guys. Okay, on StockTwits and on Twitter. So that's why it's very important to follow me, because sometimes I can't make these videos, and I did it before it happened. Okay, so everybody can say, oh, you said we were going to go higher. Well, guess what, guys? Right after I made the video, pretty much at the same price where I started making my video, is the same price where I said, hey, this is red flag. Okay, so, and keep an eye on this. All right, so also in my video, I mean, guys, it's pretty obvious if we break down, like I said, if we break down to this, we're gonna take a little dip, right? I mean, it's not hard to do. I could tell you I think we're going up all the time, but my first instinct is if once we break this, we're breaking down. I mean, it's common sense, guys. We're breaking the pattern here, right? But so that's where we're at. And guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion. This is just educational purposes only. So Bitcoin's running the market. Let's see if it holds. Also, let's see. What do we have? We have Cardano. We have Matic. I don't know what happened here. All my lines disappeared. I have to figure that one out. Ethereum. Let's go to Cardano. Same thing, guys. We had this M pattern. You can see it. I think it's better on was it the 4 hour? Yeah, I mean the 4 hour. Yeah, you could see it on the 4 hour because once it broke down here, so it kind of looks not like one, but because it broke down already. But look, we got right here, 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 and then we broke here, and then my target would be around this area here, and you could see all the support. So I could draw a purple box. If Bitcoin does go down to 42, I'm expecting this something like this. This area would be an area where I would look for a bounce. Okay, anywhere from $2.39 to $2 and basically 30 cents. That would be the area that I'd be looking for a bounce. Okay, if this does happen, I don't think we're gonna head down to $1.87 like I said. So this, like I said in yesterday's video, if this does break down, I don't think we're heading down here. So yeah, if you watch yesterday's video, I talk about this possibility of this breaking down. But hey guys, I did think it was going to go higher, but we got an M pattern and it flipped on me right away, and so I posted this on Twitter right away just to warn you guys. This is the time to get out. But unfortunately, it happened so quick. I actually thought it was going to be a W pattern. So I thought we were going to do, I thought we were going to go here and do this and then bounce off this line. Oh, sorry, that was an ugly drawing. But here, let me erase the W, because sometimes the M pattern can flip and turn into a W. Well, when I was looking at it, I thought we were going to get a W, go a little higher, and then get rejected. So here's what I was thinking. W, bounce off the trend line, create a W pattern, break this area, and then shoot up here is what I thought we were going to do before maybe come back and retesting this and then doing something like that. But it ended up flipping, turning into an M pattern, and it broke down. So that's why I posted it on Twitter right away. Guys, that's why it's very important. If you do follow my channel, follow me on Twitter, because I can't get the videos. The time it takes to upload a video on YouTube, the move is already, it's too damaging. Okay, so I just have to post a quick pic and explain what's going on for you guys to make your move. Okay, that's the best. That's the best thing I can do. Post on stock tweets on Bitcoin. Whatever the case may be. Those are my options. And if you guys are following me on TradingView, make sure you guys follow me on Twitter and follow me on YouTube, because, like I said, I can't make videos fast enough when things do flip the other way. All right. So, but these are my targets for now. We are breaking out of these bearish. This is a bearish pattern. It's a bearish wedge. So this would be the target around here. Now on the M pattern, the target would be right around the 239 area. But I think if Bitcoin gets down to the 240, I mean to the 42 200 mark, or 42 300 mark. What was it that we had? I believe it was this chart right here. No. Oh, wait. What am I doing? That's Matic. Yeah, I believe if we get around this, okay, it's 42 400 or in between here in this purple box, then I think that's where you could see maybe 130, in between that box, 130 to 139 for Cardano. Matic, let's go to ETH. Let's go to Ethereum. Ethereum's looking not so great on our. I don't know why this stuff is disappearing on my charts. I don't know. Let's see. I don't know where this came from. I might have accidentally, when I was messing around. Sometimes I'll drag the charts over here, and I'll do something like this, and I'll move the line or something. Yeah. So let's correct this. Well, I know I had 3050, because that was my level I talked about, which we came pretty close. And then we do have a fib. Did I do the fib? Is this the fib? That's what we're looking at. Let's see. Let's get on to a bigger time frame. Yeah, my fib was, I believe, there at 30. So we came very close to touching the fib and then getting a bounce. You can see how I did this too, the M pattern, which I talked about, is going down. I posted all this on Twitter last night, guys. So let's erase this volume, and let's see what we got right now. Let's see just in this general area. Okay, let's see what we got in this general area. We'll go from here to here. Oh, yeah, we broke the point of control right at the M pattern. So, yeah, I would like to see us get back above that point of control, which is this red line right here. Yeah, we don't want to fall in this area. We don't want to go under $3,000. That's for sure. Because if we do, then yeah, it could get pretty ugly, all the way down to 27, which is a fib line. So let's just keep an eye on that, guys. I don't know if that's going to happen either. More than likely, maybe that 2950 that we always talk about, that we've hit so many times, maybe that would be a spot that we would look for to maybe make a bounce and then turn into a W instead of this M. Someone did mention this on my channel. I think it was I don't want to get this wrong. Maybe it was You're a Genius or someone said something to me. But shout out to you. You did mention the FUD, and we did break down out of the patterns. But guys, when you see a breakdown out of the pattern like this, if you guys follow my channel, you guys always know that we talk about, if this breaks down, I could think it's going up higher all the time, but if we break down, we break down. So there's always that chance. Let's see what we have here, though. I do see something here. Why is that locked there? So let's see. But that's why I draw these patterns for you. That's what good traders do. We trade the charts, right? I could think we're going higher and everything's looking good, but if the chart turns around, you got to make your move quick. Okay? So let's see what happens here. All right, so now you got a nice little channel to go with. That's on Cardano. Let's look at Matic. I had lines here, guys. Everything disappeared. I don't know what happened. I tried to refresh it. Maybe if I do this, it'll. No, I got nothing. All right, so right now we're looking at $1.36. Let's see, where would we go from here? Let's get a bigger time frame. Actually, let's go to a bigger time frame. Let's see, $1.33 area, and then if it gets really ugly, no, I don't think we're. Let's see. This is the daily. He did pull back. No, I'm gonna keep this like this for right now. I think in this area here, general area here, this would be a box from $1.33. I mean, it could be $1.31 to $1.36. You know what? To be on the safe side, that would be a better area to look for, to buy into this box, for a possible bounce from $1.31 to $1.36. If guys, only if Bitcoin breaks under, you know, let's say 46 to 45,800. I'm more leaning to that area. If that happens, then yeah, you could see more downside for sure. Okay, so I'm giving you these warnings again, guys. Please follow me on Twitter. So if stuff starts to look bad, you guys can see that I'm posting it, to know that, hey, this is dangerous and we're looking to get out. Okay, we're looking to get out of the move. So far, this ABC pattern, I should have respected it more, because we talked about it in my video over here, and we looked at the 22% drop and the 37% drop, and maybe let's see what we'd get at. I got to end this video soon. I don't want to make it too long for you guys, but let's see. What would we get on this move if it did? Let's just go in the middle of the box around 42 900 area. Let's just see. That would be 17. So let's go to the bottom of the move. Would that be a 22% move? Could we see another 22% move coming off the ABC? 20%. So that is very possible, guys, that we do come down there and touch around that area. So let's keep an eye out on it. These are the targets. Listen, much love to you guys. Make sure you guys sub to my YouTube channel, Moondog Trading. Okay, and I'll put my Twitter link in the description, which is Moondog Trading 1, and I'll also put a TradingView link down there. So you guys, every TradingView is free. If you guys do decide to pay for it, then yeah, you'll get $30 off using my link. So listen, much love to you guys. I made this video a little bit longer because we are finally breaking down these major patterns that we talked about in yesterday's video. And I just wanted to make sure everybody knows what's going on. Please follow me on Twitter, guys, because like I said, I can't, I can only do what I can do. If I would have tried to upload a video when we were here, we would have already been down here and you guys would have been like, well, what the heck? And then it would have bounced and went back up. And then, we were looking for a bounce here. Okay. We got a bounce here. So even if you caught this bounce and sold it right here at the 47,100 mark, you still made money on everything. Cardano, Matic, everything bounced and went back up, and now it's kind of hanging out. But listen, guys, much love to you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys follow me on Twitter, please. I'm not saying it for any other reason. It's just so I can post things so you guys can see it before these moves break down. Listen, guys, much love to you guys, and peace out.